Are you looking for a flexible banking option? Ally Bank can be the solution. This tutorial will guide you through opening an Ally Bank account. Ally Bank offers features like online banking, 0 monthly fees, and 24-hour customer support. It's perfect for accessing loans or benefits needing bank correspondence. You can choose from various accounts, such as spending accounts, savings accounts, and certificate of deposits. For this tutorial, we'll open a spending account. To get started, gather these requirements: your full name, VPN or SOC 5, social security number, date of birth, current address, occupation, email, phone number, mother's maiden name, and transfer information for your deposit. Now, let's begin opening your account. First, make sure to connect the IP to your drop address and verify all details. Next, visit https://www.ally.com/ and click on Checking and Savings. Select Banking Online with us, then click on Open New Account. Choose either the checking or money market option. Select Open Account under Spending. When prompted, choose You don't have an Ally login and continue. Ensure the account type is individual and proceed to add this account. Click on Next Step, check the residence option, and continue. Fill in your personal details, ensuring the email is in your name, and use a real phone number. If you need to mail the card to a different address, select No and provide that address. Click Next Step, then Agree and continue. Make sure to select No for any additional options. Certify and continue, acknowledge the terms, and submit your information. Wait while they review your details. Click on Send Link when prompted. Copy the link into your browser. After the review, you'll arrive at the initial deposit page. If you're short on funds now, select Add Money Later. Next, create your online access with a username, password, and a security question. Click Create to access your account. Set up your security by adding a real phone number. Choose Yes, this is a trusted computer, and click Continue. Finally, click on Go to My Account. Congratulations! You now have your Ally Bank account. For more information and assistance, please visit Ally's support page. Start enjoying the benefits of your new banking experience today.